Most people think you need big factories and big money to start a real business. That idea is completely wrong. Right now, simple machines are helping ordinary people turn homes and garages into income machines. One of them can turn liquid into decorative bricks using a mold that costs less than $10. No factory, no workers, no heavy equipment, just pour, wait, and sell. That single machine, ranked number 1 on this list, is changing how people think about manufacturing, and it gets better. From machines that print directly on walls, to others that turn drinks into ice cream or clean metal with lasers, every machine on this list solves a real problem and makes money because of it. Stay with me, number 1 will surprise you. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 10. Animal feed making machine. This machine turns everyday agricultural waste into constant income. This machine allows people to produce pellet feed using materials like corn waste, cabbage, grains, and leftovers that farmers often throw away. The setup is simple: a small machine, a power source, and basic raw materials. Many people run this from a backyard or small shed. The demand is massive because animals need feed every single day, regardless of the economy. Farmers prefer local suppliers because it reduces transport costs and delays. This business becomes profitable by sourcing low-cost or discarded raw materials and converting them into valuable feed pellets. The machine works fast, produces consistent quality, and can scale easily by adding more batches or machines. Startup costs are relatively low compared to industrial factories, often starting under $3,000 depending on capacity. People doing this business sell directly to farms, cooperatives, and local markets, creating steady repeat customers. Number 9. Wall printing machine. This machine is changing interior design completely. This machine prints high-resolution images directly onto walls, bricks, concrete, wood, and almost any flat surface. The setup is straightforward. The machine fits inside a car, requires minimal assembly, and uses digital image files. Demand comes from cafes, offices, restaurants, hotels, and homeowners who want custom designs without expensive renovations. This business becomes profitable because clients pay for personalization, speed, and visual impact. One wall can be printed in hours, allowing multiple jobs per day. Startup costs are higher than basic machines, often around $8,000 to $15,000, but operating costs remain low. People running this business often work solo, taking bookings online, visiting client locations, printing, and getting paid immediately. The visual process itself attracts attention, helping businesses grow through word of mouth and social media exposure. Before we move to next, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 8. Mini hand heat press machine. This small machine turns ordinary products into emotional purchases. This machine is widely used to personalize plush toys, baby clothes, pillows, and gifts. The setup requires a heat press, blank products, vinyl or transfer paper, and basic design files. Many people run this business from home or a small room. Demand is constant because babies are born every day, birthdays happen daily, and parents love personalized items. This business becomes profitable by taking low-cost items and adding names, dates, and messages that increase perceived value. Startup costs are very low, often under $500. People sell through social media, local shops, and gift stores. The machine is easy to use, fast, and perfect for custom orders. Repeat customers are common because families often return for multiple gifts. If you think these machines are impressive, wait until you see how people are running high-demand businesses from home with setups that fit in a single room. Number 7. Solar panel cleaning machine. This machine solves a problem most people ignore. This machine helps restore lost energy efficiency caused by dust and dirt buildup. The setup involves a cleaning brush system, deionized water, microfiber tools, and a vehicle. Demand is rising fast as solar installations increase worldwide, but cleaning services remain limited. This business becomes profitable because dirty panels reduce power output, and cleaning directly saves customers money. Most clients need recurring cleanings, creating long-term income. Startup costs usually start around $3,000, making it accessible. People offering this service target homeowners, factories, farms, and commercial buildings. Jobs are quick, low labor, and scalable by adding more routes or workers. Since competition is still low in many regions, early movers build strong local dominance. Number 6. Liquid to ice cream machine. This machine turns attention into sales instantly. This machine freezes any drink into ice cream within minutes using a spinning frozen plate. Setup is simple: a power source, ingredients, cups, and a high-traffic location. Demand is driven by visual appeal. Customers love watching the process, especially kids and young adults. This business becomes profitable through impulse purchases and high-volume sales during peak hours. Startup costs are surprisingly low, often around $200 to $500, depending on quality. People run this business in malls, street stalls, events, and festivals. Custom flavors and viral presentation help attract crowds without paid advertising. The machine is easy to operate, fast to clean, and ideal for hot climates and busy locations. If this video is opening your eyes to new business ideas, like the video so more people can see it, and follow for machines that turn simple setups into real income. Number 5. Belt making machine. This machine turns simple materials into everyday fashion products people constantly buy. This machine cuts, presses, punches, and finishes belts using leather or synthetic strips. The setup is simple: a compact machine, belt straps, buckles, and basic hand tools, making it ideal for a home or garage workshop. Demand stays strong because belts are worn daily, replaced often, and sold across all age groups. This business becomes profitable by producing belts at low material cost and selling them directly to retailers, online stores, or local markets. Startup costs are moderate, often starting around $1,000 to $2,500 depending on automation. Many people begin by fulfilling custom orders, school uniforms, corporate belts, or bulk requests from shops. Profitability grows through volume, branding, and repeat wholesale buyers who reorder consistently. Number 4. 3D chocolate printing machine. This machine turns chocolate into a premium experience. This machine prints detailed shapes like landmarks, animals, logos, and characters using edible chocolate. Setup includes the machine, food-grade chocolate cartridges, a power source, and a high-visibility location. Demand is driven by kids, events, gifts, malls, cinemas, and celebrations where customers want something unique. This business becomes profitable because printed chocolate sells for far more than regular chocolate due to customization and entertainment value. Startup costs are higher, often starting around $10,000 or more, but operating costs remain manageable. Many owners place the machine in malls or restaurants, earning through direct sales or revenue sharing. Customers enjoy watching the printing process, which increases impulse buying and repeat visits. This is where it gets serious. The next machines are charging premium prices because they save time, labor, and money for businesses. Number 3. Rust removal machine. This machine is also known as laser cleaning, offers fast and chemical-free surface cleaning. This machine removes rust, paint, grease, and carbon from metal using high-frequency laser pulses. The setup includes the laser unit, power supply, safety gear, and transport vehicle. Demand is growing across automotive, factories, shipyards, construction, and maintenance services. This business becomes profitable because clients pay for speed, precision, and eco-friendly results. Startup costs are higher, usually starting around $6,000 to $15,000, but labor costs stay low. Many people operate this as a mobile service, visiting job sites and completing tasks quickly. Since the service saves time and avoids chemicals, customers are willing to pay premium rates. Number 2. Brush making machine. This machine produces everyday products used in homes, industries, salons, and cleaning services. This machine inserts bristles into brush bases automatically or semi-automatically. Setup requires the machine, brush molds, bristles, and basic workspace. Demand is constant because brushes wear out and need frequent replacement. This business becomes profitable by manufacturing in bulk and selling to wholesalers, cleaning suppliers, and hardware stores. Startup costs are reasonable, often starting around $2,000 to $5,000. Many people run this from small workshops, employing 1 or 2 workers. Profits grow by producing multiple brush types, like cleaning brushes, paint brushes, or industrial brushes. Since brushes are low-cost, high-volume products, consistent orders drive steady income. Number 1. Brick making machine. This machine proves manufacturing does not need a factory. This setup uses reusable molds and special liquid mixtures to create decorative bricks for interiors. Setup is extremely simple. Molds, mixing containers, and drying space, often run entirely from home. Demand is rising because interior designers, homeowners, and builders want affordable decorative finishes. This business becomes profitable because molds are cheap, sometimes under $9, and can be reused hundreds of times. Production costs stay low, while finished bricks sell at a premium. Many people start alone, producing small batches and selling locally or online. The simplicity, low investment, and strong visual appeal make this machine one of the smartest, small-scale manufacturing ideas today. Every machine you saw solves a real problem, and that is why they work. From turning waste into animal feed, to printing walls, cleaning metal, and creating decorative bricks at home, these businesses are profitable because demand already exists. You do not need a factory, you do not need a big team, and you do not need massive capital. Many of these setups start under $3,000, some even under $500, yet they create strong profit margins through repeat customers and low operating costs. People around the world are already doing this, quietly building income from garages, backyards, and small workshops. The opportunity is not hidden, it is just ignored by most. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching, stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.